Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm unboxing Logitech Pebble M350. I purchased it to use it on my iPad, so let's open it. Here it is. So you can connect this mouse to your devices either through Bluetooth or USB port. I choose white color because I already purchased Logitech keyboard K480 in white color. If you haven't seen my video of unboxing it, I will leave that link in the description box. Go and check out and please support me. And here it is. These are some paperworks, the warranties and how to connect it. And now let's open this package. Yeah, very lightweight, which is the first option, and here is the on off button, and let's open. So they're providing us the USB port. You can use this to connect to your smart TVs or laptops, whatever you want. And here is the cell which they provided. We can use any other cells also. There is no mandatory to use only this one. You can find this battery indication in the iPad once you connect it. So now let's connect it to iPad. Firstly, you need to on the button and have to hold that button for at least 10 seconds. Yeah. Now open your settings on your device and you can see there a name called Logitech Pebble. Here I'm pairing it. And that's it. We can use this mouse without any issues now. Now as the setting process was complete, let's check whether it's working fine or not. Yeah, it's working really well than I thought. And as I said earlier, we can see the cell percentage here. Now as mine is new, it's showing 100%. And it is not recharge battery. We need to replace it once it over. Now I'm checking the scrollings. It's working fine. And this is my Good Notes app. My notes. Sorry for the lag guys, but I need to check each and every option, so I don't my apps to shut on just because I'm using this mouse, so that's the reason why I'm checking each and every option. And here is a gesture option. You can see the dock, and that's it. And I uploading this video after using for almost 2 months now, and I'm very happy with this purchase. And if you are looking for any mouse to connect to your iOS devices, go for it and you will definitely love it. And here is my Logitech keyboard. That's the reason I choose white color. Sorry for repeating the words. And along with this mouse, I also purchased this Apple pencil cover. Here it's showing white black color, but I choose this green one. I don't know how to end this video, that's why I'm including this too. Let's open it. It's really very good, especially for those who are interested just like me to take the digital notes, and it is easy to install, and that's it. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention, the con which I didn't like in Logitech Pebble is there is no gripper, and it is very easy to fall down. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment down below, and thank you.